Hi, I'm Dean from Montana, and I'm addicted to traveling on Harley David motorcycles. I started riding 11 years ago when I turned 60 and have now logged over 180,000 miles, including all 50 states, 7 provinces, 10 European countries, and the South Island of New Zealand. My Harley Addiction YouTube channel features 2 and 3 minute GoPro videos of great roads, villages, and tourist sites from these trips. My Harley addiction compelled me to apply and ride in the 2018 Hoka Challenge. 10,000 mile, all 2-lane road, following turn-by-turn instructions from Excel spreadsheets and sleeping beside my bike. I finished number 36 within the 14-day qualifying time. And I am signed up for the biannual event in 2020 for next year. So I hope you enjoy seeing these videos. Interesting glimpses of the world from a Harley rider's perspective. Please click the subscribe button to keep exploring with me. Comments, ask questions. I love to talk about my passion, Harley addiction. Thank you.